Welcome back to Tech2 Cash, your hub for digital hacks and smart income ideas. Today, I'll show you how to automate your daily tasks even if you can't write a single line of code. From auto-sending emails to managing files, these tools do the boring work so you can focus on what really matters. Tool 1. Zapier. Zapier connects your favorite apps together. You can set triggers like, when I upload a YouTube video, post it automatically on Twitter. Tool 2. Make, formerly Integromat. Make is perfect for deeper automation, like saving attachments from Gmail to Google Drive, or sending reports every morning. Tool 3. IFTTT. This one's super beginner-friendly. It stands for if this, then that. You can link social apps, smart devices, and even schedule tasks for free. Tool 4. Notion Automations. If you use Notion, you can connect it with Google Sheets or Slack to automatically track progress and send reminders. Tool 5. ChatGPT plus CapCut combo. Use ChatGPT to write scripts and CapCut to auto-edit with templates. That's YouTube automation without any coding at all. If you want me to make a video on how to set up your first automation, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe. More tech hacks coming your way every week on Tech2 Cash.